Did you know that eating a bowl of white rice can spike your blood sugar as quickly and dramatically as drinking a can of soda? In fact, recent research shows that high glycemic index foods, like white bread, pasta, and many breakfast cereals, cause rapid surges in blood sugar. Over time, these spikes aren't just uncomfortable. They raise your risk of developing type 2 diabetes and heart disease. In a world where high-carb diets are the norm, managing blood sugar has become a serious challenge for millions. But what if you could cut those carbs and still savor every bite? The solution isn't deprivation. It's making smart, simple food swaps that keep the flavor and satisfaction you crave. Let's be honest, carbohydrates are everywhere in today's food culture. From that morning bagel to the pasta at dinner, carbs often dominate our plates. The problem? When we eat too many refined carbs, our bodies struggle to manage the sudden rush of glucose. That's where the idea of smart swaps comes in. Creative, evidence-based alternatives that help you enjoy your favorite meals with fewer carbs and steadier energy. What exactly are smart swaps? They're not about giving up the foods you love. Instead, they're about choosing ingredients that deliver the taste and texture you enjoy, while being kinder to your blood sugar. For example, instead of white rice, a staple that's high in fast-digesting carbs, why not try cauliflower rice? This swap not only slashes your carb intake, but also adds extra fiber and nutrients, keeping you fuller for longer. Cauliflower rice has a surprisingly satisfying texture, and when paired with your favorite stir-fries or curries, it's hard to tell the difference. Maybe you're not ready to give up grains entirely. That's okay. Switching from refined grains to whole grains is another powerful step. Brown rice, quinoa, and farro are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Unlike their white counterparts, these grains break down more slowly in your body, resulting in a gradual increase in blood sugar rather than a sharp spike. The extra fiber also helps you feel satisfied, making it easier to avoid cravings later in the day. Bread lovers, there's good news for you too. Instead of reaching for white bread, opt for whole grain or sprouted grain breads. These options have a lower glycemic index and offer more flavor and texture, all while supporting better blood sugar control. If you're feeling adventurous, try wraps made from lettuce, collard greens, or even nori sheets for a fresh twist on your favorite sandwiches. Pasta is another carb-heavy comfort food, but with a few creative swaps, you can still indulge. Spiralized zucchini, often called zoodles, makes a refreshing and versatile base for everything from marinara to pesto. Shirataki noodles, made from konjac root, are another low-carb, low-calorie alternative that soak up sauce beautifully without weighing you down. For those with a sweet tooth, desserts don't have to be off the table. Swap out sugary treats for options made with almond flour or coconut flour, which are lower in carbs but still provide a rich, satisfying taste. Greek yogurt with fresh berries is a naturally sweet, protein-rich dessert that won't send your blood sugar soaring. Let's bring these swaps to life with a real-world success story. Meet Barbara Sienisch, who faced a diagnosis of prediabetes. Instead of resigning herself to bland, restrictive meals, she started making small but powerful changes, like enjoying a plate of roasted vegetables before moving on to her carbs at dinner. This simple habit helped her feel fuller, reduced her sugar cravings, and stabilized her blood sugar levels. Over time, Barbara found she didn't miss the heavy, carb-laden meals at all. Instead, she discovered new flavors and felt more energized throughout the day. Her story is proof that these swaps aren't just theoretical. They can make a profound difference in real lives. You might be wondering if these changes mean sacrificing enjoyment. The answer is a resounding no. With a little creativity and openness to trying new ingredients, you can recreate nearly any dish in a way that supports your health goals. Imagine digging into a hearty stir-fry over a bed of cauliflower rice, savoring a sandwich wrapped in crisp lettuce, or twirling zoodles on your fork, all without worrying about the aftermath of a blood sugar spike. And the best part? Your taste buds won't notice the difference, but your body will thank you. Let's recap the key takeaways. First, high glycemic carbs can wreak havoc on blood sugar and long-term health. Second, you don't have to eliminate your favorite foods to manage your blood sugar. Just swap in smarter alternatives. Replace white rice with cauliflower rice. Choose whole grains over refined ones. Get creative with wraps and pastas, and find new joy in lower-carb desserts. These changes are simple, sustainable, and delicious. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Start with one swap at your next meal and see how easy it can be to make a difference. Over time, these small choices add up to big gains in energy, health, and enjoyment. If you found these tips helpful and want more practical ideas for healthy, delicious living, don't forget to subscribe. Join a community committed to making lasting changes, one smart swap at a time.